Okay, so this is my about page. When you see the big words at the top, that is the page title. So yours probably just says about or about me. I added my name because why not? Now, everything in WordPress is editable. You just touch it. So like if I click this photo, this was originally in the template like some random lady. And so then I could hit replace, and then you can open your media library. You can upload a picture right here if you wanted to put one of yourself. Or if I open the media library, it's going to give me access to like other pictures that I have put up before. And why don't we go ahead and change it? Pretty much I'm putting all my teaching pictures of me in my house because y'all, that's real life right now. Okay. And then like there are these boxes of type. If I wanted to edit it, well, it's all like a weird block, so that's why it's stuck like that. Okay, these things are a cool little thing you could do. I'm gonna click on it. Oh, it's going to be slow. Okay, I'm gonna click on this guy and see, I could say replace. Basically just try pressing anything and it's not gonna be bad. See, it's saying it's center. If I wanted to put the words higher, see, it's like that. And you can like move it around on a grid. I just like it centered. If I'm looking at this, I could change the alignment. Maybe I want to make it wide width. Okay, a little bit bigger. If I want to change the image, which I don't because, oh, look how beautiful that is. I could hit upload. And if I wanted to get rid of it, if you've got things on your about page that you just don't even want to replace and you want to make it more simple, you click the three dots and you hit remove block. Okay, I'll show you again with something else. If I scroll down a little bit more, oh, look at this. Is Yellowstone, one of my favorite places in the world. Three dots, and then I could duplicate it, copy, or remove the block. Okay, say I'm gonna remove the block, and now I go, oh no, I didn't want to remove that block. It's beautiful. Up here, I could hit undo. Oh, and then it's back. Now there's this like kind of fun little effect you could do if you want to play with that feature. Or I could make it wavy on the top. But no, I just want it nice and square and simple. You can see over here, there's like other things you could do. What focal point do I want to pick? It kind of moves the image around. So I want the focal point to be the basilica. No, I want the focal point to be this main building here. Okay, and then kind of went down the line. Now if you're wondering like, ooh, Ms. Wright, how did you make it look all dark like that? So up here in typography, I could go to color settings. And that's where I did that. That's where the text color and the background color is set. So if I wanted to change the background color, I could go like that. And then it kind of just blends in. But no, I like it how it is. But so again, if I'm looking at a block of text, color settings, and then once you click that, then it drops down some more options. You could change the color of the text and background. And if you're thinking, well, these colors are kind of boring, I want to use something different, you could click custom color and then, you know, mess around like that. Say, ooh, I want a crazy fuchsia box. Okay, I could click that. Wow, that looks terrible against the blue. So I'm going to undo that. All right, and that's just a little bit. Oh, okay. Invalid attempt block recovery. I don't know what that means, but I'm just gonna click it. I need to update those pictures because they're not like very new. I am going to. What am I gonna do? Not bother with that. And then there's these other things here. Now, if you wanted to add something besides what's in the template, oh, it crashed. Okay, that's okay though. I will go back to this. These are my pages. It's okay. You're not going to have so many. You're going to have just the home page, and that's what my home page is called. I changed the title of it. You're going to have blog, and I just added the word the because I don't know, because I felt like it. There's my contact page. You probably are going to want to delete that, so you could put it in the trash. I'm going to do that just so you can see what happens if you put something in the trash and then maybe feel freaked out and decide you don't want to do that. I could go undo. The other way I could go, if I didn't do that soon enough, I can look at my trashed pages and I can go, oh no, I shouldn't have trashed it. I will restore it. And then all is well. So then let's say I want to go back to that about page. If you're wondering about all these different things, page versus block. Page features are things that's like kind of big picture, like how this is. That's a featured image. The featured image, I'll explain that next time. You really don't even have to worry about those features. They're not super important to us. And then block editing, that's like all these different things. So you just need to know that it's called a content block. Okay, kind of like building blocks. So all these little things are sort of like the building blocks of my page. And then we scroll down. Say I want to add like one more thing on the bottom. I would click this little plus sign. And then there's like different things I could add if I wanted to add like a gallery of pictures. Or if you're just thinking like, I know I want to add something, but I'm not sure what. Then you can kind of look through here and say like, oh, maybe I'm going to put a little bit of text. Maybe I'm going to put, I don't know, this or that. I'm going to put a verse. I'm going to put a quote. So you can kind of go through here, and if you want to like add something just for fun, just to make it more decorative, you could do that. Or maybe I want to put my socials, who is visiting this about page. That's where that featured image happens, and then everything happens here. And now this is a URL. That's the actual URL of that page. So if you want to go to the home page, once you have this up, this is the thing that I need you to submit on that Google form, okay? It's got to be in the address bar, and it's got to be something like this that anybody can see. All right, what I don't want to see is if I'm in the middle of editing this page. Do you see how this URL says block editor? That's not the kind of URL, that's not the kind of web address that another person could visit. That is to take you to this page to work on your blog, okay? So it's got to say like mrcvlcc.wordpress.com, not with the block editor, okay? So block editor, no.